Hey guys, it's Linda from Linda Has a Travel Bug. Today I am here in Austria. I am actually in Vienna. Ooh. Anyway, I'm staying at the New, an IHG hotel. It's a Holiday Inn, and I just wanted you to check out this room. It's room 713. Come on down. It's on the seventh floor. Ooh. Anyway, so you have to put the card in as usual. There it is. Okay. All right. So here we are. Great little room. It's so cozy and so cute. It's kind of like a treetop kind of feel. So check it out. Look at the whole room. I mean, when I first walked in, I was like, oh, wow, this is kind of airy and nice. And it's got fronds. Check it out from I Want to Pump You Up. I don't know if you remember that, but that was an Arnold Schwarzenegger comedy skit. But anyway, the bed is a double bed. You can move it apart or you can keep it just the way it is. It's not very comfortable, but you know, what bed is comfortable? If you'll notice, they have the skulls up here, which was kind of fun. And I don't know, the decorations are just great. I love the colors over there, that wall over there. It's actually got a mirror. It's got a stereo that you can do your, Bluetooth or whatever if you wanted to rock out. Kind of reminds me of like a place you would kind of have a bunch of friends over and party. But what's funny about it is it's pretty quiet, except for the train that's outside. And it stops, I think, around 11 and starts back up around 6. So you can get sleep, especially if you have a noisemaker. These windows, kind of hard for me to open, but my partner is able to open them easily enough. He'll show you. It's Yeah, kind of crazy, huh? And you have a view of other people's rooms in the city. It's nice to get some air in here. It gets kind of stuffy. They do have heat. I don't know necessarily. I don't know if I can close this or not. Anyway, yeah, I don't know necessarily if the AC works. I've tried it a couple times and it didn't work, even though they say that they have AC. So the windows are good. It's cold outside. Oh well. What else can I show you? The cute little, very comfortable red seats. There's two of them on both sides. There is a little place you can put stuff, or you could make it into a table and, eat some cereal in here. As far as a refrigerator goes, none. Nothing, not a tea kettle. There isn't a coffee machine. There's nothing. So as far as getting any kind of caffeine, you're out of luck. You're gonna have to go downstairs, or you're gonna have to make some instant coffee with cold water, because if you use the hot water, that's not good either. Anyway, moving on. There's lots of plugs. I haven't seen this many plugs in a small room like this in a long time. There's those. There's some to your right there. They also have them on the other side of the bed, which we call this the octopus right here, because it basically charges about 20 million things at once. There are plugs. Actually, it's strange because there's a plug. Come over here. This is really crazy. This is the bathroom, all right? Just the toilet. Nice, cute. There's a plug right there. It's kind of odd. I don't know what you would use that for. I'm not going to say what I thought about earlier, but isn't that cute? And then you have a private door. So if you're doing something you may not want your friends to know about, there you go. Anyway, so moving along. Around is Hans or Franz. And yeah. It's kind of neat at night because he lights up. It's super cool. Great little mirror. Oh, yeah. It has everything you need. You have blow dryer, but there is no nozzle. That means that your hair is going to be very frizzy if you use it. So I decided against it, and I'll just wait until I get to another hotel. Nice big trash can. I thought that was pretty cool. It's the first time I've seen a big trash can. They must think we're trashy. This mirror right here, plastic, cheap. So if you drop it, it's not going to crack. Let's see, what else? We got the soaps where you have to, let's show this up close. Watch this. You have to squeeze it. Whoop, there's the soap. And it smells like cat piss. Great shower. Best shower I've had in Vienna so far. You know why? Because there's a door with a suction cup at the bottom, which means that the water isn't going to pool out onto the floor. I couldn't even believe it. So I had a great shower. I didn't have to worry about having to clean up afterwards. Let's see, the nozzle works so you can move it up and down. There wasn't a rain shower thing, which I don't care about. It doesn't bother me. I thought this was a great little thing that they included, although we never got a chance to play the Uno or any of the little games that they have. And then they have like little books and stuff for kids. Really cute. I loved it. And guess what, guys? I just figured it out, but after we're about to leave, of course, there's a safe. I never know about the safe until I'm about to leave. It's crazy. So anyway, it's a normal, like any other safe. It's just they're always hidden. I don't know why they do that, because it's like nobody's going to know. But yeah, pretty much this is all the space you have. You have a few hangers. This is nice up here. Let's see, cute lamp. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty small. Yeah, so I would say, oh, also another thing is you don't get a free breakfast if you use the points for IHG. No breakfast. I think maybe some free coffee if you were really nice to them. The customer service was pretty good. They were nice. They're giving us a late checkout. I think it's at 2, which was really, really generous of them without making us pay extra. So makes me very happy. So I'm going to say, I would say 9 out of 10. That's not bad. 9 out of 10, only because there wasn't a, coffee machine or a tea kettle or anything in here, or a refrigerator, which really sucked for us because we're always on the road and we don't really eat out that much. So we're eating, salads or whatever we can find. So anyway, hope you got something out of this. Come follow me. I'll be reviewing other hotels in different countries very soon. All right, bye. Hey, Mark.
Yeah, Linda, what's that?
Are you feeling hyped?
No.
We just drank 2 cups of, they say it's espresso. Why do they keep lying to us?
Kühe haben wir. Die in Grobgrund wäre noch mehr. Da wollen wir auch. Die haben wir.
This is our workout. We don't have a gym.